How to use promo codes on IQ Option. What is a promo code? A promo code is a combination of letters and/or numbers that you can use to get a special bonus for trading on the IQ Option platform. Bonuses may be offered to all users, existing users, recently registered users, or new users who have not deposited into their accounts. There are also exclusive bonuses that may be distributed among selected groups of users via dedicated emails or videos, or among users from specific countries. IQ Option operates globally and runs multiple campaigns, so our promos and bonuses may differ. Depending on a marketing campaign, promo codes may be single-use or multi-use. Promo codes have expiration. If a promo code has expired, you won't be able to use it. Where can I activate a promo code? To view available promo codes, go to the Promo section on the left-hand side panel of the trade room. In the Available section, select a promo code by tapping on it. Here you can view all the information about the selected promo code, the promo code name, the expiration date, usage conditions, and the instructions on its activation. Follow the instructions to activate the selected bonus. What bonuses does IQ Option offer? A deposit bonus allows you to get an additional amount of money that will be credited to your real account after you make a minimum required deposit and apply a promo code. After a successfully processed deposit, the deposit bonus will be credited to your account. A no-deposit bonus allows you to receive an additional amount of money into your real account without making a deposit. A risk-free trade or trade insurance allows you to return an amount specified in the promo code if your trade is closed out at a loss. IQ Option may offer special promo codes. A tournament ticket allows you to apply a promo code to get a ticket to participate in a specific tournament or get VIP access to a tournament. Other special promo codes may unveil access to VIP trading strategies, indicator signals, or some contests with prizes. What is the minimum deposit amount to use a promo code? Some promos require a minimum deposit, while other promo codes have no minimum deposit amount. This means you can apply such a promo code when topping up your account to any permissible amount by clicking the deposit button. If you have a no deposit bonus, you can use it without topping up your account. Just activate the promo code directly in the Promo section on the left-hand side panel of the trade room. What is a wager? When a trader receives a deposit bonus, their withdrawals get blocked. In order to unlock withdrawals, the trader has to complete a trading turnover goal or cancel the bonus. The trading turnover is calculated using the following formula: bonus amount multiplied by wager. A wager is a multiplier or coefficient and may differ depending on a promo. For example, if the bonus amount is $10 and the wager is $45, the required trading turnover will be equal to $450. When the required level of the trading turnover is reached, bonus funds will be transferred to your real balance and withdrawals will be re-enabled. You will also be able to activate a new deposit bonus. My promo code is not working. Why? Here are some reasons why your promo code may not work. You have another active bonus. Please note that you can use only one bonus at a time. You've chosen a deposit bonus but have not topped up your real account. You've chosen a deposit bonus but have deposited less than the minimum required amount. IQ Option paid you another bonus and transferred bonus funds to your real account after you applied a new promo code. The promo code is unavailable in your country. The promo code has expired. A technical issue has occurred and affected deposits and bonuses. In this case, you will get a message on the platform suggesting that you should try to activate your promo code again. Enjoy your trading!